Welcome to my house. Let's go outside. Sometimes you just need to get out and enjoy nature and all the nature sounds. Don't mind that mower, I kind of got it stuck. Oops. Probably have to pull it out with the four-wheeler. I can't get over on the island to mow yet because we took the bridge out. The beavers keep damming it up. The bridge is rotting. Land is washing away. I gotta build my waterfall back up. I wonder if we can see any fish yet. Or snakes. They haven't really started to come out yet. What I guess is supposed to be 90 on Sunday, or Saturday, I mean. I see little itty bitty fish. I don't know if you can see them on camera. Birds. The heron family is coming back around. I saw one of the babies just the other day. Herons are huge birds and they're awesome to watch. I have videos on them. You should check it out. I'll put the link to my nature playlist down below in the description. The algae's not too bad on the water right now. It did rain though. It's all underneath. I wish there was a way to get rid of the algae. There's too much organic matter that disappears into the water. And that's why we got so much algae. My mower's still stuck. It'll probably be there until tomorrow. I tried to get it out and I kind of made it go down a little farther than it was. So I'm just not going to mess with it because it's not worth it going into the pond. I went into the waterfall earlier and modified it a little bit and took the stuff out of it. I wish the beavers would stop damming up my waterfall. We've got all this mess up here I have to clean up. Get it over to the other side without a bridge because the beavers decided to dam it up so much that the bridge rotted, fell apart as soon as we moved it. So I can't get across unless I have my muck boots on. All that has to go to the fire pit. We're going to have a huge bonfire once everything's all set. The sunset's pretty tonight. Can't see it as well on the camera, I don't think. Maybe we can see the sun better over here. No, it's kind of pinkish, hot pinkish, but it doesn't show up on my camera that way. You can kind of see it. Well, apparently I can't zoom in. Reflection on the water is pretty cool. I hope everybody has a great day. Thank you for watching Purple Tube. Consider watching my other videos while you're here on my channel. Peace out.